today we are cleaning out this motherfucking closet because every time I open it, I get angry, and I'm tired of being angry. Going through all these paintings was super hard because I'm just super sentimental, guys. Like physical objects that connect me to a time in my life. I'm all over that shit, all right? And I have a really hard time letting go of things that I have associated memories with. And even as I'm sitting here going through all these paintings, I'm looking at them like I remember exactly how I felt when I was painting this. Like it's like looking at a journal almost. That's even worse to me, because I'm just like, I feel like I'm throwing away a part of myself almost. There's a part of me that I'm like, if I don't let go of this physical object that's anchoring me to this memory and have a clear space for something new to take over, something new to plant itself there. It's just time to clear all this old shit out, make some room for some new shit to take its spot. Hell yeah. Go ahead. For some reason, looking at this painting triggered a memory for me of going to the Florida Keys, and we had a great time. I remember we were collecting sand dollars on the beach, and my grandma made a key lime pie. That was my first time trying key lime pie, and it was great. And it was one of my best memories. I guess making new space for new memories isn't all that bad, but sometimes the process of letting go can be painful. I sometimes wish I could just keep everything that matters to me in a tiny little box, and I wouldn't ever have to throw anything away, but then I would never know the value of what I do have. But like, who cares about all that sentimental shit? Am I right?